This video will show you how to replace the outlet valve seal on a top button Caroma toilet. We're using a Somerton Smart 2-piece toilet to demonstrate, but the method is the same for most top button toilets. We've listed a number of Caroma toilet models below and the appropriate seal replacement numbers and linked them to our online parts store. Before starting this maintenance work, you will first want to turn off the water supply and flush the toilet so that most of the water is removed from the tank. Remove the lid. There will still be about an inch or so of water at the bottom. You don't have to remove all of the water for this maintenance, but if you prefer to, you can simply dry it up with a sponge or remove it with a wet dry vac. The outlet valve is the part of the toilet tank that initiates the flush, and it's located directly below the button kit on the top of the tank lid. The seal is located at the bottom of the outlet valve head, and it's really easy to access. Just grip the valve head and turn counterclockwise until it releases from the base and lift directly upward. Remove the worn seal from the bottom. To attach the new seal, simply stretch it over the disc at the base of the valve head and tuck it completely under the disc edges, making sure that it's lying flat with no ripples or bulges. Now you're ready to replace the valve head into the base. Have a look at the bottom of the valve head and you'll see notches on either side of the valve. There are corresponding channels located in the valve base. Simply insert the valve head into the base and turn in a clockwise direction, allowing those notches to slide into the channels and lock into place. Make sure when the valve head is in place that the buttons are lined up properly and that the reduced flush button is located to the left of the tank when you're facing it. Now you can turn the water back on, replace the lid, and you're finished. If you have any questions about this maintenance or any Caroma product, please give our customer service team a call at 1-800-460-7019. We're open from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Time, Monday to Friday, or you can email us at help@sustainablesolutions.com.